Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Coach Nolita 15 collection and a small unboxing. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. Alright you guys, so the first Coach Nolita I'm going to share is this one in the signature print. It has silver hardware and the trimming on this is called surplus. It has the signature print on all the sides. Of course, you know these do not come with feet. And the color, even though it said surplus, is like an olive green, army green color. I like this one here. It goes with my brown khaki items that I have from Coach. Not using this at the moment, so I do keep it stuffed. I have this little air paper inside. The inside is like a green color as well. So this is the first one. Next, you guys, is my candy pink one. I've had this one the longest. I think this one was actually my first one that I purchased. It has gold hardware. It's in really great condition. When I bought this, I had like 5. I was so excited to buy this. It has that nice brown trimming. I love that. And currently I do have some items in here because I was using this in one of my larger bags. I have perfume, like little hand wipes, lipstick, lotion, just some odds and ends that you would carry in a bag if you're out and about. So this is the Coach Nolita 15 in the candy pink. Next, you guys, I have this Nolita. This is in the strawberry color. Has gold hardware as well. The little wristlet is tucked inside. I keep it like this when it's not being used. It's a very pretty color. They call it strawberry, but it's like a dark pink color. Wouldn't call it fuchsia, just like a dark pink. The inside of this is the same color. Next, you guys, I have this Nolita 15 from the Pride collection. As you can see, it is still wrapped in the plastic. I did unbox this, but I really have not had an opportunity to really use this. So I am thinking of selling this, but I'll show you guys what this looks like. It's very pretty. I haven't used this because I do have the Poppy crossbody bag in this Pride collection, and I just use that one more. And the other pieces that I did buy to go with this, I gave them to my aunt. So I bought her a handbag in this collection, and the wallet. I had the attachment card case that I actually gave to her as a compliment to her wallet, to her bag. So I don't use this piece. It's very pretty. I don't use it because I have the other signature one. So I'm debating if I want to sell this or keep it. But for right now, I still have it in my collection. Next, I have this Nolita 15. This one is in the denim. I have used this one time, you guys, and I just wrapped it back up. I keep it wrapped because of the color of it. I don't want this to bleed on anything else. So it has that beautiful, take that off, that beautiful red piping. I have a couple of accessories from this collection that matches this. Thought this was so pretty when I bought it. I love this Vachetta looking color on top of there. So I've used this one time and that's it. Let's open this up to show you what the inside looks like. It's dark blue on the inside. It's just stuffed with papers to keep its shape. But the color on the inside is dark blue as well. Very pretty. I have a few denim pieces from Coach. Alright you guys, and last but not least, I have my new Nolita 15 in this package right here. So I'll go ahead and get that out. Here we are. Came from the Coach store, I'm assuming, because it's wrapped in the paper and not the plastic. So I went on ahead and got the straw Nolita 15. I had seen this in the store, so I've seen it in person already before I bought it. I was hesitant on buying it because of this straw material. It really does feel like woven straw. And for the price of this, you guys, I was unsure if I wanted to spend like $75 for this because it's not leather. This part is leather. This part is the woven straw material, and the rest of the trimming is leather and so on. It's very pink, and it's very pretty with the tassel and everything. I'll open it up so you can see it. The inside is also that burgundy color, just like my other pink one. I'll get the candy pink one so you can see these. This is in the shell pink color. So I waited for this to go on sale. It went on sale. I got this for $47. So I did not, again, want to pay that $75. I thought $75 was a bit too much. But for those of you who are looking for a pink Nolita, this is a great option. I don't know how well these will hold up. I don't know, you guys. It's so hard to tell the quality of this. It looks really well made, so it does look nice. But in terms of it lasting and holding up, I'm not really sure. So it's still the same size as this Nolita. Nothing has really changed except the material. You can see that color difference. It's that shell pink. I do have one other piece in this color. I have a zip around little card case that I'll show you. Alright, you guys, so this is the zip around card case that I was talking about. It's also in that shell pink color. I think this one has a little bit more pigment because it's not straw like, but this is the only other piece that I have in this color. But nonetheless, this was my unboxing of the Nolita. I'm not sure if I'll add any more to my collection. I think I have enough. If I do, it'll be another pink shade if they come out with something else in pink. But this is it for now. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about any of these items, definitely comment down below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, bye.